Well, friends, thanks for checking in to stormtopia.com here for the daily forecast video. The forecast number today. Thursday's storm was a partial success. I mean, depends on where you were. If you were in Worcester, Mass, you thought you'd get an inch to 4 inches. You got more than that, maybe up to 5. It wasn't such a great storm. However, if you were in central New Hampshire when everyone else was screaming 8 to 12 and I told you 4 to 8 and you got your 4 to 8, hey, not so bad. Alright, guys, cold weekend's en route, so you huddle up, alright? Should go for all of us. MLK Day is going to be warmer. It'll be tranquil. Okay? And Midwest snow, Northeast rain, Tuesday through Thursday. Let's talk about Saturday. Clouds and sun mix pushing through the Northeast. The farther north you are, the more you're going to be dealing with them, but it won't be perfect. You're likely going to be looking at more sun than today, less sun than Tuesday. Sunday, yeah, we're starting to clear things out a little bit more. The storm system was so massive that moved through yesterday that it's still having some remnant effects with more clouds and cool air being pushed out of Canada. And on its backside, we're dealing with an Arctic blast. Monday's quiet. Tuesday, swing. We got rain, scattered showers at that pushing through, and that's going to be somewhat of an issue. Let's talk about what is going on with regards to the storm on Tuesday. I haven't told you much about it. It's just starting to pop up on our radar, so to speak. No pun intended. This is the very latest European model, and basically let's see. Alrighty. And we're going to zoom out a little bit. So basically, just to orientate you with what we're looking at, here's the Rocky Mountains, here's the Great Lakes, and these are the state outlines. Alright, here's Oklahoma right here. Alright, so that's basically what we're looking at. This is, of course, a whole picture of the contiguous United States. Here we are by Monday, and by Monday we got issues, okay? We've got warm air being pushed out of the Gulf of Mexico, cold air northward, and when they collide, things are going to explode, to be honest. We also got more energy hanging back out here. When that energy interacts with that moisture, we got problems. We got a snowstorm, blizzard conditions, in fact, by the afternoon hours of Tuesday, from Iowa to southern Wisconsin. Meanwhile, low pressure center over Chicago. The Chicagoans get screwed over once again by another storm. Okay, we've got a trail of rain leading in the classic, comma head type system, which means rain all day Tuesday. It probably won't be that heavy for the Northeast. And then Tuesday night, blizzard conditions, tons of snow here in the Midwest. And meanwhile, rain to the east. And then we change from rain over to a quick period of snow Wednesday morning and early afternoon for most of northern New England. This would be somewhat similar to the storm we last had. The difference would be that instead of the heavy snow, I've never figured out why my screen does that. If any of you guys have figured it out, I will pay you if you tell me. But here is where we saw most of the snow on Thursday. And here is where we would see most of the snow on Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. So about the same coverage area. The difference is, this time around, we are seeing the rain here and the snow here. Okay, that is essentially what we're looking at. The teleconnections aren't too favorable. I'll show you what we have here. Today I'm just going to show you the P&A. Negative, as usual. And also negative if you want to know. Well, here I am, folks. Nick Sayer signing off for stormtopia.com.